Hello, am I on? Yes, I'm on. Hi everybody, welcome to the channel again. This next video is a very short video, but it's a check video. It's what I call a check video, what you should be checking on your bike. It's not, oh my god, there's a problem with the bike issue and a recall. It's not, it's a check video on your rear spring to make sure the bolt is nice and tight. So I haven't put any audio with it, so there is a bit of audio so you can hear what it would sound like if your rear sprocket bolts were loose, sorry, your rear spring shock bolt was loose. So please watch the video carefully and then go check your bike. It's only applicable to the 125, 150cc U and G models, being U1, U2, G1, G2, etc. Just so you can go do this to your bike and to make sure it's not loose. You could always put some Loctite on the bolt, on the nut side, some Loctite. Look that up if you don't know what it is. But it's just a check video, so enjoy the video. Thank you very much. Tatty bye for now.